I am Lowling. It specializes in rice leaf. Old Lin recently on the internet, especially the major platforms, there is a product that is very popular. That is this product. This is a toothbrush. This is a toothbrush. What about this product? Well, why the fire? It is because it can effectively clean tartar. So recently on the internet, whether at home or abroad, it should be called explosive fire. In fact, if this is the case, it seems quite simple. It just removes tartar. But the feedback from many friends, but some people think that this effect is still obvious, but there are also quite a few people who say, isn't it just a sponge? Right? It didn't work either. In fact, this thing is a kind of it's a question of what is expected of a product. Well, we all want to say we need to have good tea, no matter how I make it. If you smoke, drink tea, etc. They all want their teeth to be white forever. But it's not like that to some smokers. That tea friend, well, this has reached a certain age. The teeth are really getting darker. Of course, I hope that there is a product that can quickly solve this problem, the problem with the root of the tooth. So there are a lot of these related products on the market. Like what? Tooth powder, toothpaste, cool light, whitening pen, including purple toothbrushes, because it's a lot. Well, everyone's feedback is different. As for this product, most people still think it works, but some people think it doesn't work. So what actually, the main thing is that we have tartar in many ways formed, like smoking, smoked stains, drink tea, tea scale drinks, coffee, drink red wine, especially like, chew on the precious one. Nang, that's also easy to cause tartar. If it is serious, it will form like dental calculus relatives, right? Well, if that's long enough, it's got tartar. Tooth stains can penetrate into tooth enamel, causes a whole tooth glaze to turn yellow if that has penetrated into it. In fact, this external treatment method, whether you go to clean your teeth or, yes, if you use other products, it's all ineffective. So in terms of this product, the most important thing is to target the external target. There are some children now you use a lot, but if it's a child, it is recommended that it must be operated by an adult. Avoid wiping your gums